Hello everyone, you joined me in the back of a London taxi, but I think it's important that you know that I have spent the day today down a coal mine in Wales, and thus it feels very fitting that I would choose this day in order to tell you what it means to me to have been nominated as an honorary member of the Learned Society of Wales. I want to add that in my trip down to a Welsh coal mine, my team didn't actually tell me in advance that that was what I was going to be doing, and so I turned up to the filming day today wearing flares and white trainers, and so this is real black gold from the Welsh valleys right there. But I just wanted to say well, how enormously proud I am to have been selected and elected as an honorary member. I think that it feels like there's a real change afoot. It really feels as though lots of different organisations have recognised that we can't gatekeep anymore. We can't have it so that maths and science is a subject that only belongs to a certain group of people. Actually, we have to open our doors and make sure that everybody feels as though they're invited. And I really feel as though the Learned Society of Wales is doing some amazing work on diversity and inclusion and making sure that we create these spaces where everybody feels welcome. And I am extremely proud to be a part of that. So thank you very much. I'm going to go and clean the trainers.